mag-accessories na tayo. I'm using a Mono Jewelry. My tita bought this for me. Kasi sobrang ganda niya, guys. Watch. Parang gabi pa lang. Pero, I will be filming my week in university. Kasi guys, as you guys know, I came from a very, very small school. Like, sobrang, like, dito lang siya around our area. And it's very, very culture shocking na pupunta ako or like mag-aral ako sa university. Meron lang kaming 3 pasok today. I took this week. Ngayong Monday, tapos sa Tuesday, wala. Pero sa Wednesday and Thursday meron. Sa Friday, asynchronous na. So, wala kami klase. Ito yung laman ng bag ko for 3 days. This orientation week. Wala naman akong dalang anything na school supplies. So, ito. This bag is so spacious. Like, I could use this as my school bag. Siyempre, nasa Philippines ka, you need this. GC Life. Yan siya. Next one is payong. Kakulay siya ng damit ko. Of course, handkerchief kailangan. Okay, next is Sanicare wipes. So, yeah. Nagdala lang ako ng power bank. Just in case lang. Wallet. Meron din ako nito. Inhaler. Siguro kapag ano lang, nahilo lang ako sa school. Last but not least is maghag yung hair nyo and it's very frizzy. Kasi ito yung parang Grace and Glow na hair mist. Pangpa-smooth siya talaga ng hair. Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa school. Ashley, Andrea, Chloe, and nandito kami ngayon sa school canteen. Waiting for our party. Guys, kakaiyak kasi third floor na. Katapos lang namin first class na. Actually, hindi siya class. Ano lang siya? Homeroom type. Yeah, like parang about God lang. And yeah. Sobrang lamig guys sa room. Ay, ito. Ayan na yung CR. CR kami. Guys, no-culture shock kami ni Chloe kasi dami ditong daming OAT. Tapos, yung dami nilang katin.
Parang may mali. Parang deserve ko lang sa H-Top.
As in, so yeah guys. Si Ashley. So ngayon, magpapa-ID tong na to dahil isa siyang makulit na bata. At pa-ID.
Transformation and
Mamakdo kami. Because we're tired.
Anong pinaka...
We're so haggard because we won't. So power. Started raining guys. Paano kami uuwi? We're going to H-Town. Our oats.
We're going back to our old school to get some points.
Ano, Jeremy? Ito si Jeremy. Wait, para kunyari si DCS Barbs. Ano kayo? Sex ladies at ex. So magde-debate. Magde-debate kami.
Yes.
Team Verbs and Team C.
Ay, saan po nga yun?
I'm gonna say this here. I'm Elaine. I'm the first one.
I'm Chloe, the second one.
I'm Jeremy.
The third one.
Okay, Team C.
Team 6.
Wala. Wala lang.
All rap battle?
SM Taga. Tapos na ba ang ship niya? Ano? Tapos na ba ang ship niya?
Pinala ang gabi. Ano tao daw? Hindi mo t-shirt.
Hi guys, so ito po yung nag-unfollow sa amin sa TikTok dahil sa maling babae lang. Yung inend yung streak na ilang days na yun, magpo 100 na ata yun.
Sabi niya pa naman, instinct na natin ito, tinatamad na.
Hoy, akin nga wala siya, hindi na lang siya nag-reply bigla eh.
Kami nga wala kaming streak eh. Paano pa kaya kami? Tamad ka.
Shalalala. Hi, ma'am.
Naka-video na to.
Hi, guys. Ang saap namin today. May backpack ako. Sa likod. Hi, guys. Good evening. On the way na tayo. Gala namin today. Time check. 6:32. Haga namin. Kasi umalis kami ng 5:50. Ganun.
Basta grade 8 na.
Hi guys, so it's my class na. Char, it's not a class again. I'll explain everything. Yeah, I'll be introduced orientation. So yun guys, magka-club signing na kami.
Are you just going to craft?
Hi guys! Nag-club signing na kami. For Alta Rhythm. Oo. Bakit duda ka? Hi guys, so we're walking. Pinakamahabang part first. It's the hatest
Late na late ka na, tapos dito ka pa
Kaya
tayo.
ay, nilalakad. Eh, di nilalakad ko lang.
Talagang malilate ka na sobrang.
Pero kung may
never kami uuwi ng exact 12. Mga 1 hour late or 2 hour
2 hours
late.
late. Or 4 hours late.
Yeah.
Maybe 5.
Basta hindi gabi.
Yeah. Would never.
Pero siya after a long tiring day. Kaya kahit puro orientation lang, we deserve still.
We're still tired. Kailangan ko na talaga naman tagabit. Ha?
Pauwi na ko. Guys, mayroon ng galing kami old school ulit. Kasi kumuha na talaga kami for real.
This one, guys.
Form. Hi guys! So it's day 3. Nalita ako ng gising, kaya I haven't vlog.
Ano yun?
Daway na kami. So we're I'm wearing maroon shirt ulit with different pants na this time. Last day of the week.
Thursday.
Fourth floor pa kami guys. Third floor pa lang ta. Morning exercise. So guys,
Natulog ako.
how ilang teacher yung minute natin? Tatlo, no?
Ano na kayo? Dalawa pa lang.
Hindi, advisor namin yung isa. Dalawa pa lang pala. Yeah guys.
Natulog ako 30 minutes.
So cold.
So never mind. Yung coldness.
Hi guys, so tapos na lahat ng subject. Nakita na namin lahat ng teacher namin.
Hindi tayo.
And then like for Monday, may idea na kami kung sino mga teacher.